Welcome back to another video. This is going to be part 3 of how to get rid of carpenter bees. I've done 2 other videos and gone over various ways to exterminate carpenter bees. So in this video, we're actually going to talk about how to prevent the carpenter bees from coming back next season. Because I take these down in the summertime, fall, when the carpenter bee season's over. Then every year they come back. This season I've got a pretty large amount of bees. Over there I've got another trap, and that one's got a bunch as well. So what we're going to need is 2 things. We've got some delta dust, which is basically delta methrin, which is the active ingredient, and then we are going to use some wood filler. So what we're going to do, because this is a dust, we're just going to go into where the holes are, where they've burrowed in, and then we're going to put some dust in there, and we're going to fill the hole. So what happens is the traps don't catch every bee. There's so many holes from prior years that are still there, and they go up in there, they lay their eggs or larvae, whatever, and then the larva hatches, and that's where more and more come out. So with this, we're going to put this up in the hole, and we're going to seal it in, and then that will just wipe out anything that's in the hole. It'll sort of render the hole unusable for future bees. You're going to get yourself a painter spade, which this one has seen better days. Oh wow, it didn't go flying. What we're going to do is since this is a very fine powder, we're just going to get some powder to the end. See, it's where it's starting to come out, and then go up in there, and there we go. Once you've done that, we're just going to put some of this right here. Use our painter spade. Perfect. So let's do a few more. Ooh, don't get it in your face. Okay, so you can see I've got poison all over me. Here's a tip. Try to stand upwind so that when the powder comes out, it doesn't get all over your clothes. There we go. So you can see I got a little bit on me. I'm just going to change my clothes, wash my hands, it should be fine. Now for the bonus, we're going to feed the birds. Take this off. Hopefully there's no live ones in there. Birds will have fun. Feast. That's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Catch you next time. Thanks for watching.